So, I've been looking into Avientrix lately, and I want to share what I found before you spend any money. Now, Avientrix is one of those online stores that pops up with really aggressive ads and limited time deals, usually on gadgets or lifestyle products. On the surface, the website looks clean and convincing, and the prices can seem pretty tempting. But here's where things get interesting. When you dig a little deeper, there's not a lot of real company history or verified customer presence outside their own site. That's already something I always treat as a red flag. Another thing worth noting is their policies. Returns are limited, shipping can take a couple of weeks, and in some cases, refunds have strict conditions that may not be very buyer friendly. I'm not saying it's 100% a scam, but I will say this. If you're considering buying from Avientrix, go in with caution. Use a payment method that protects you, and don't expect Amazon level support or reliability. My honest take? It's a proceed carefully situation. If you've already ordered from them, drop your experience in the comments. It helps everyone else out.